Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 16th, 2021. I wanted to show you all what the price has done in ADA since our last price prediction, which was July the 12th, 2021. You guys can see that the market went against our original prediction, but I'm sure we said $1.50 was a very hard area of restriction for the price, and that's pretty much what happened following our prediction. Now we're going to talk about where I'm expecting the market price to go in ADA. And then I wanted to show you all that Alonzo was successfully hard forked. It was successfully forked about 2 days ago on July the 14th. And apparently many people would think that that would have a massive positive impact on the price for ADA. But as you guys can tell from the chart, it didn't. The market still went lower. This is one reason why I'll tell everyone in our community, don't pay attention to these type of articles, because it does not justify where price is going to go. Or at best, we're under the presumption that since the hard fork or the fork for Alonzo was completed, that the market should go higher. So if you want to join us, if you guys want to continue to learn as much as possible about predicting price movement without being confused, you need to join our team and our community. The doors are open. It is just that simple. And you can do that by liking the video, sharing the video, also subscribing here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on our prediction that we are garnering on this particular platform. All right, so now let's talk about this article real quick. I'm just going to skim through it real quick. I just wanted to show everyone who's not really too involved with the events that go on in Cardano that this has recently happened, right? This article from Coinpedia was actually posted today though. All right, July 16, 2021. Cardano's Alonzo successfully forked with ADA price head toward the big breakout. So this particular article is already trying to insinuate, since the Alonzo fork was complete and was successful, should the price in ADA go higher now? So they're already trying to combine two events into one, okay? And you guys can tell what I tell you all about all of this confusion, right? All of this technical analysis. This particular chart here has RSI, MACD, and OBV. All of that still gives you no indication about where price is going to go for ADA. It doesn't. So why even pay attention to it? You can see right here, Cardano blockchain successfully upgrades to Alonzo White. The Alonzo White hard fork is successfully executed by Cardano. Smart contract capabilities will be enabled as a result of this. Members of Project Catalyst and more Plutus partners will also be joining the network, according to the company. Following this release, many people expect ADA's potential and utility to skyrocket. Okay, and that's the tweet right there that input output sent out on July the 14th, 2021 about the hard fork being successful, right? Cool. But again, take a look at the price. The price in ADA had no impact on that successful hard fork. So why is the divergence? Why is the difference when more people would expect price to go higher in ADA after something that positive occurred to a particular project? Because price doesn't move on projects. It doesn't move on successful hard forks. It moves on supply and demand. That's it. So let me break down what happened in our last price prediction. Really, after July the 3rd, we went ahead and did a price prediction on July the 12th, maintaining the ability of Cardano to go higher, and it didn't. The 4 days following July the 12th, the market in ADA continued to drop in price. Okay, so yeah, there's no interest into the market right now in ADA. There's just not. There's no convincing. I can't convince you that there's interest coming through right now, because if there was truly interest coming through and the market wanted to buy ADA, we wouldn't be in this downtrend almost seemingly every trading day. It wouldn't be there. The chart would not reflect that. So we didn't get this correct. We wanted to hold on to the market in ADA on July the 12th. The market continued to drop. That's where you need to understand that we need to adjust some things. The market is trying to tell us something different rather than the price going higher. So if we were to get out right now, we'll be down about 17.6%. Okay, since we put on this prediction on July the 3rd. So we try to give opportunity. We try to allow the market to reclaim some of that strength, but it couldn't even do it. And then at some point, just got to let the market go and move on to the next play. And that's what we're going to do here. So yeah, it didn't pan out the way that we expected it to go in this particular situation. It will happen. All right, so let me take that away. Also, I will have the link to that article in the description of this video, just in case you all want to continue to read upon it. Okay, so now already we can see that the market in ADA may be on course to come and test that ascending line right there, because this is the overall trend into the market in ADA. So as I transition over this price chart to different time frame, we need to see what is the prospect of us holding price right here. Okay, so that's about $1.13, $1.10 to the location that we can see the market in ADA actually come through and try to hold price. So let me see what we look like on the 2-day time frame in ADA. Okay, because the market definitely is weak. We're in a downtrend. Seemingly every 2-day price bar we are closing lower and lower than the previous one. So the market's going to try to come through and test $1.10 or maybe a little bit higher, $1.13 on that ascending line. We got to be prepared for that. Right here on the 3-day time frame, you guys can see here that even here on the 3-day, the market here in ADA is giving us a lot of weakness, even right now. This is the 5-day time frame right here. You guys can tell that the weakness is still in control into the market in ADA. Weekly time frame, same thing. Now this is the 2 weeks time frame. We got 2 days and 14 hours left in ADA right here. Now if we complete this 2-week price bar the way that it looks right now, in the next 2 days and 14 hours, this market in ADA is going to come a lot lower. It's going to come down to $1, maybe even 85 cents. Be prepared for that, because for us to go through the last 2 weeks into the market in ADA and come and test $1, close at the high, and then the next following 2 weeks we come right back down, that tells me that the weakness is definitely dominating this currency, and we need to be prepared for this market to come back down to $1 or even 85 cents. Now I'm not telling you that that's going to happen right now, but we need to be prepared in the next 2 days and 14 hours if this price bar looks the way that it looks right now, which seemingly I'm not really expecting that to happen though. Okay, but I just wanted to show you all that. So in actuality, yeah, we're still going to play the weakness into the market in ADA. Now first, I'm looking around $1.13 to around $1.10 for those areas of support. Okay, right around here. Okay, so that's about 6.5% movement that we could go through into the market in ADA. Restriction is going to be there around $1.30. Okay, because we broke that area which was acting as support and restriction numerous times here in the background. It's going to be acting as restriction now. Okay, so let me take this back over to the 5-day, because I wanted to show you something else there. I want to show you where the market can actually come to. The first area, like I said, is around $1.10. The next one, a pretty good area of support, is around $1. Okay, so what I'm going to do, rather than the market in ADA keeping price alongside this trend line, I'm going to use it for support within a trading channel. Okay, this is pretty much what I'm seeing the market in ADA doing. Rather than the market keeping track of that overall ascending line, I'm suspecting that this market's going to try to transition over into trading sideways. Okay, so I wanted to show you all this depiction right here on the 5-day time frame of what we're seeing, of what we're expecting to happen into the future in ADA. And right now we're playing a weakness. I mean, the market tells us the truth every day that it operates, and so far it's telling us that the price is weak. So we're going to play the weakness into the market in ADA. $1.10 back down to $1. So let me take this back over to the daily for you all can see that, so we can actually be in position to capitalize on wherever the price goes. Right, so this is it. Tell me, what do you think? Would you be under the same premise that if a particular cryptocurrency or project team was able to successfully do a hard fork, that price should go higher? And if so, why would you think that? Because price and the successful accomplishments of a project does not always equate to positivity. There's something different that is going on in the market than what actually occurs from a project's perspective. Because I don't want to get you all dissuaded and think that that's not a successful thing. That's very positive for ADA to accomplish smart contract capability. That's very, very positive. but the market doesn't seem to take it that way. That's why one of the biggest things we tell everyone in our community is don't pay attention to these type of articles, because it tries to get you to act a certain way. This article clearly tries to get you to think that price in ADA should go higher because of this successful hard fork. But the truth is, the market doesn't want to go higher. It's just that simple. So why would you try to give your mind that type of confusion? Just simply follow the price chart. So let us know. Where's your price prediction for ADA as well? Give me one for the next 4 to 5 business days or trading days into the market for ADA, and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.